Hi, this is Damien from Pet Business Blueprint, and today we're going to look at how to edit the homepage content on your pet website. And all we're looking at in this video is this section here, where I'm moving the mouse right now. So to edit the slider, there's a separate video, and there's also a separate video on how to edit the sidebar and this footer area. So all we're going to look at now is just how to edit this main headline area and these three columns underneath it. So what we do is we go to our address bar in our browser and we type WP admin at the end of our web address, and we log into the back end, and from there we go appearance and theme options, and under the theme options, across the tab here, across the top here, there's a tab for homepage, and under that you can see a list of different options that are under there. So that main headline, the default is we care for them almost as much as you do. So we could change that to dog walking by the harbour. Scroll down to the bottom of this, choose save options. If we now reload our home page, you can see that main headline has changed, and just like we did that, we can edit this section underneath it if we want to. This tiny image here, they put a round frame around that automatically. So we can just choose any image to go in there, make it a small image, and bear in mind that it's going to have a circle around it. So choose upload. We can choose an image that's already on our computer in our media library. So for example, I might put this pet bunny in there. Use this image. And it will resize the image automatically, so keep it small, but don't worry about having it the exact right size. And we can also change what's written on the button, so we could change it from make a booking to find out more, and then we also choose where we want that button to link to. So generally it would be your contact page, but if you want it to link to a different page, you just choose it from the drop down here. Save options. Go to our home page now. We can see that that button has changed. For some reason our image isn't showing up there. Maybe it has to be a smaller image. So the other way to add an image is directly from our computer. So we just go select files and choose any file you like from your computer. Choose use this image, save options, and it's just use the center part of that image because it just makes a circle around it. So it's best to have a square image there. Now to edit these three columns, this is probably one of the trickiest things you'll have to do with this website. And if you just bear with me, the way we do that is we go to our pages, and these three columns, you've got the choice. They can be excerpts of any page on your website, or they can be excerpts of your blog articles. So I think most people will want to have a page there, so a page of your services for each column. And what we do is we go to our page section if we're going to display pages, and then we choose what page we want to display there. So for example, let's say we're going to display dog grooming. We hover over that in our menu. What we want to do is want to get the code for that page, because even though it's called dog grooming, the website believes it has a code number attached to it. And if you look at the bottom of the screen now, you'll see a number in that little URL that's showing up when I hover over it, and the number is 709. So you want to make a note of that number somewhere. Choose the 3 pages you want to show and make a note of them. So 709, let's put puppy school on there, which is 714, and we'll put testimonials there too, which is 136. So we go back to our theme options, scroll down from our home page, and we choose our pages here. So we go 709, 714, and I think the last one was 136, I could be wrong. And we can also choose what the button at the end of those columns says. So we could change that to read more, for example. Save our changes, go back to our home page, and as you can see, the 3 columns have now changed. Testimonials isn't showing up because testimonials is actually a different type of page, so that was a bad example to use there, but any normal page you can use there, and also any blog post using the same process but via posts. Now, to get the little image that was there, we need to go to the page that we're displaying. So in this case, dog grooming, and we need to set a featured image for this page. And the way we do that is we just go set featured image. We can upload an image from our computer, or we can choose one that's already on the screen, on the website. So for dog grooming, we just choose an appropriate image. Let's choose this one. Set featured image. Update the page. If we go back to our home page, you can see it's now put that little picture in a circle. And if we go read more, I don't think we selected a page. Okay, yeah, so there it takes us straight to our dog grooming page. Obviously, yeah, you choose a more appropriate picture that had pictures of dogs being groomed. So that is how we edit our 3 columns on the home page and the section below the slider. So to find out how to do the sidebar and this footer area and the slider, you can see different separate videos on that. Okay, thank you.